Everything does suck. Or does it? Yellow. Aw, hey, Knives. What's that? You're outside?
Is Scott here?
You know what? He just left.
Really?
Yeah. Sorry.
On my mind's eye or whatever.
What are you talking about?
You just drank half and half, baby.
Freeze! Vegan police! Vegan police! Todd Ingram, you're under arrest for veganity violation. Code number 827. Abide in half and half.
That's bullhorn!
No vegan diet, no vegan powers.
It was only my first offense. Don't I get 3 strikes?
Ticket.
Gelato isn't vegan.
It's milk and egg.
Chicken isn't vegan.
De-veganizing red. Hit him.